too much starch. You see all that white stuff? When you cut open a fibroid, that's how it looks like inside. It's real talk, I wouldn't lie to you. Don't believe nothing I say, you know. Check it out. Let me give you some facts about the staple food in Africa called cassava. If you was to juice cassava and take that juice and give it to a hog, a pig, that pig would drop dead within a second where it stands. Why? Because of the starch. The starch that's inside of things like this, things like cassava, is hurting you, clogging you up. It's glue. Type in starch into YouTube. You'll see it. It's a glue-like substance.
When you mix cornstarch and water, weird things happen. Swish it gently in a bowl, and the mixture moves like a liquid. Squeeze it, and it starts to feel like paste. Roll it between your hands, and it solidifies into a rubbery ball, until you try to hold that ball in the palm of your hand, and it loses its structure and dribbles away. Because cornstarch particles are so small, they can be influenced by temperature and by electric charges that build up between them, which causes them to slightly repel against each other. So as long as you move slowly, the grains will repel and slide past each other like a fluid. But if you do anything too fast, you'll overcome that repulsion, the particles will touch, there will be friction, and it will act as a solid. The researchers say the new model can be used to explore how various ultrafine particle solutions, such as cornstarch and water, behave when put to use, as for instance, fillings for potholes or bulletproof vests.
So, what we just saw was cornstarch, okay? Now, remember, the highest amount of starch can be found in the world in cassava, also in sugarcane, also in rice, also in potatoes. And anything that Mother Nature did not make will contain starch. But there's different degrees, different amounts, different concentrations of starch that an unnatural product contains.